Alright guys, so pretty much this is the iPad, well not iPad, like the Raspberry tablet put together. I'm gonna show you how I put it together. I haven't screwed this in yet. So pretty much this is the Raspberry Pi, and in order to save space I didn't use the little these little cables. You see this? I just welded this to the back of it to save space, and as you can see they're coming out. I will post the way that you put them in on my instructable. So pretty much this is the battery. Is 66,000 amps or something like that, that connects to this power boost. This power boost has two cables coming out that connect to this little switch right here to turn it on and off, and so that turns it on and off. These two cables over here provide the power to the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi provides power to the touchscreen. This is the video cable, I think visual cable. I have to get a bigger one because this one over here is too small. The one that comes with the screen is too small for it. I need a little bit more room for it. And again, so you pretty much gotta be careful how you put this in. I think I have it right. Pretty much you just gotta be careful with the cable back there, so it doesn't stay right there. So now we have it in. Then you grab the screws that come with it, with the screen, and the holes should be lined up for it. Oh, wait. Oh, I think I put it in correctly. This incorrectly. No, it should be correct. Alright, so now the holes lined up. I don't know what happened there. I think it was a little bit off. And pretty much this thing over here is gonna have my logo on it. That's it. And now we're gonna power it up. And that's what it is. You can see the lights powering in the background. You can see the screws that I put on the Raspberry Pi. You can see the ports for the mouse and the Ethernet or keyboard. And that's about it. Oh, you can see the entrances for the HDMI cable, and you can see the entrance for the mini HD. And there you go. You have a working case.